In this video, we will show you how to attach your motor to your motor mount and your motor mount to your Taito Robotics test stand. The motor mount is specifically designed to securely fasten your motor to the force measurement unit, aka the FMU. It has slots where screws can pass through, and the center hole comes in two sizes to fit the wiring configuration of your motor. The components and fasteners needed for this installation can be found in your flight stand box and your auxiliary components box. Let's get started. The first step is to place the motor mount on your motor with the side that says Outrunner motor this side, facing the motor. You can then line up the slots on the motor mounting plate with the holes in your motor. You then pass the screws through the plate and secure them in the holes on your motor, with or without washers. Just be sure not to drop the washers in your motor. The screws we're using are the ones that came with the motor. Next, we will install the threaded pins that will help you line up the motor mount with the force measurement unit and hold it in place while you fasten the remaining screws. There are 2 pins, and they can be screwed in by hand. We'll then screw in the 6 standoffs that'll line up with the FMU. And now we can carefully line up the motor mounting plate with the FMU on the stand, starting with the pins. Then pass the screws through the FMU and into the standoffs on the motor mounting plate. And we will tighten those up and plug in the M8 cable while we're here. And there you have it, your motor is now securely fastened on your flight stand.